Okay, so we're finally here at Orlando. All we have to do is now get our baggage and then take the Disney transfer to our hotel. Can't wait!
Aren't you tired? Did you sleep?
Yes.
On the plane?
I think for 1 hour.
Oh, you should. I was going to say, look at all the Mickeys.
Oh, Mickey!
That is Stop. Oh,
Okay.
Should we read that?
I read something that said like A14. Okay, so now we're on our way to the shuttle. Which is pretty awesome.
That's kind of cool.
Wait! I'm getting on. What do I grab a hold of?
Hang on to me.
Thank you.
Welcome to Orlando and Central Florida. You'll be arriving on the third level of the main terminal building. Baggage claim is on level 2. Resort and other ground transportation options are on level 1. Attention Southwest Airlines passengers. When you arrive at the main terminal building, follow signs to baggage claim A. For AirTran Airways,
It's like riding a subway.
follow signs to baggage claim B.
I think I should just start playing music. Who wants to hear a deal talking?
People working on the ground.
Please hold on to the handrail. The shuttle is approaching the main terminal building. When the shuttle stops, please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim A, except for AirTran Airways, which is on the B side of the terminal. Remember, resort and other ground transportation options are on level 1.
I couldn't swore last time I remember saying that. What? Level 1. With all the stores. And there's a Disney store right there, I think. And SeaWorld, of course. SeaWorld. Escalator's crowded. Okay, so we have found our luggage, and now we'll be going to the Disney transport, wherever it may be. Alright, yes, I know. Okay, so we finally figured out where we have to go. So, we're heading all the way to the other side of the airport so we can go on the Magical Disney Express and go to our hotel, Pop Century Resort. Okay, we found Disney's Magical Express. It's gonna be awesome because I've never, ever been at a Disney resort before. Here we go. We're moving now. Sun's starting to come out, but probably because it's setting.
My name is Mike. Happy to be your driver today. I want to welcome you aboard Disney's Magical Express service to Walt Disney World Resorts. Let you know that from this point we've got a quick 30-minute ride to Walt Disney property. A couple minutes down the road a video is going to come on to welcome you to Walt Disney World. Give you some information to help you with your check-in and stay at the resorts. Preview some of the fantastic things you're going to be doing at Disney World. Is everybody excited about going to Disney World?
Yeah.
It's kind of, yeah, okay, sure. Disney, okay, yeah, we're going. Maybe I took you by surprise, I don't know. But I know you've had a long travel day, but you have arrived. This is Disney's Magical Express. Your vacation begins right now. So sit back, relax, enjoy the ride. And I'm going to ask you one more time, is everybody excited about going to Disney World? Woo! That's more like it. Now you're on the bus. All right, folks, we're on our way. Thank you.
Like that.
Open an hour early, or stays open up to 3 hours after regular.
And we're coming up on the new Disney World Hotel Art of Animation, which unfortunately I couldn't.
The lobby concierge is available to assist you with any needs you may have
So
during
sad.
From making
Looks
reservations
the animation,
for
my
dining
favorite
priorities
thing.
and popular shows like Cirque du Soleil, to booking recreation activities like golf and water sports. You can also...
And here's the gate for our resort, Hop Century Resort.
Okay, perfect. All right, thank you.
Well, there's 70s. 70s. Everything popped.
Jail had that.
Oh, no kidding.
Oh, they had shops there.
Yes, I think.
To go past everything hot.
And there's two directions. Okay, so we're on our way to the 70s. There's the hippy dippy pool near the 60s areas. 60. So 70, 80, 90. It's pretty exciting. My first ever stay in a Disney resort. And we're going to be staying in the 70s resort. Some things my stepdad might recognize from his teen years. Oh. Statue with Goofy and his car, like on the beach. We have discovered the 70s. We are now approaching the giant tricycle play, a giant foosball table, and none other than, over here, the giant Mickey Mouse phone. Okay, we are on the second floor where our room is, and wow, everything is like green, my favorite color. Okay, we have arrived at our room. So, the moment of truth. It's time to see what the inside looks like, because I don't even know what the inside of a Disney suite looks like.
Probably need to get some lanyards.
Okay, so here we go.
Oh my God, there's a bed right in front of the door. Hey, can I get my suitcase?
Sorry. Turn on the light switch.
Just our suitcase.
It looks just like a regular hotel room, except this. wonderful world of Disney at night. In all its splendor. Now. And there's the bakery. See, right there, bakery. Out of my brownie, which is delicious. Let's get out these. Okay, we got out of a monster of a crowd. We discovered what happens when you go backwards through a big crowd that's leaving the park. So, we're heading to Adventureland to see what awaits us there. Hopefully, we can get one ride we want to see. Pirates of the Caribbean.
Boy, I hate that. I ain't ever seen that whole thing with you.
Yeah.
You guys all nervous?
And also, we should probably spot the Enchanted Tiki Room, which is now the Enchanted Tiki Room because
Keep going that way.
let's go this way. It should lead to Frontierland. I think that might be where Pirates is. Ooh! Change of plans. We're all heading to Haunted Mansion. And here we are, the Haunted Mansion. Ooh. And we have to wait in this long line. Yay. Well, up on the hill, there's the Haunted Mansion. Yet we're still in this long line. But don't worry, we will get there. We will. And there is the singing bus. No, they won't sing at the moment. They're actually rather sweet.
No more living, no more sleep, no more.
Yes, we made it inside before they cut it off. We are now inside the Haunted Mansion. There's a evil skull picture Haunted Mansion. Ooh. Oh, we finally made it. We're wrapping around. Yeah, I remember. But then they turn into spooky.
Our library is well stocked with priceless first edition comic ghost stories.
And the bust heads are following us.
Of the greatest ghost writers.
Look at the chair rocking.
Oh,
They have all retired from Haunted Mansion.
I see the shadow.
For 1,000, any volunteers?
Not me.
Should decide to join us. Final arrangements may be made at the end of the week.
Oh, and the footsteps down the stairs. Yeah, I know. and she killed every single one with her hatchet. And there's her hatchet. We found the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. Line doesn't look that long. Tickets is probably short. Short line, miraculous. Music again. We rode the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. Davy Jones has been scrapped from it. He is no longer in the ride. Guess I figure since he's dead, why show him?